Looking for sportiness, high-tech sophistication, power and precision, and performance plus? Look to the 85 Camaro. Start with Sport Coupe, the most popular Camaro, with refined styling for 85. Including new front fascia and new parking lamps. The sporty interior features room for 4 and reclining bucket seats. A 2.5-liter L4 with electronic fuel injection is standard, along with computer command control. It fine-tunes the engine a minimum of 80 times a second. New for 1985 is the optional 2.8-liter V6 with multi-port fuel injection system, which boosts power and torque for excellent performance. For added power, there's the 5-liter V8 with high compression ratio and electronic spark control. Standard is a manual 5-speed with overdrive. Also available is an automatic 4-speed with overdrive. Meet Berlinetta, the sophisticated high-tech Camaro. Berlinetta features a new front fascia, lower body accent stripes, and sporty wheel covers. Inside, Berlinetta features a standard custom interior, plus high-tech electronic instrumentation with digital speedometer, bar tachometer, adjustable pods with fingertip controls, and Delco swivel head ETR AM/FM stereo and digital clock. And there's Camaro's versatile hatchback design, providing added cargo carrying utility and convenience. Standard is the new 2.8-liter V6 with multi-port fuel injection and dual tailpipes. Big V8 performance is available with the optional 5-liter engine. There's a 5-speed manual standard or convenient automatic available, each with overdrive for added efficiency. And here's the Camaro Superstar, Z28, a truly hot performer. Z28 features new black louver ornaments, a functional front air dam, ground effects panels, rear spoiler, exclusive 15-inch aluminum wheels and Eagle GT tires, plus large front and rear stabilizer bars. The 5-liter V8 is standard, and new for 85, Z28 offers the optional 5-liter V8 with tuned port fuel injection for precise air-fuel management. It's a great high-tech performer. Z28 offers a 5-speed manual or automatic 4-speed, both with overdrive. Brand new for 85, Chevrolet rolls out the Thunder with a replica of the specially modified cars used in the All-Camaro race, the International Race of Champions. It's the new IROC-Z. IROC-Z features body color ground effects panels, accent stripes, and fog lamps, plus 16 by 8-inch aluminum wheels and Corvette-type directional tires, which combine with a specially tuned suspension and new Delco Bilstein shocks for remarkable traction. In addition to Z28's standard 5-liter and optional TPI engines, IROC-Z offers a special 5-liter 4-barrel high-output V8 option. The transmission's the manual 5-speed overdrive. It's a combination Camaro offers only on IROC-Z. Camaro for 85. Your salesperson is ready to give you a complete product presentation. Take a demonstration drive today.